south of the Tard.
802 out with a Honda, southbound, south of the Tard.
Hey, can you roll down your window? Hey, stay in your vehicle. Hey, hey! 802, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. 1199.
Southbound.
He's got a long gun on the ground. Stay on the ground! Let me see your hip. Do not touch that gun!
Make sure we get higher up.
Everyone.
802, he's got an AR. It's underneath him on the sling.
802, he's got an AR underneath him in a sling. 802, where is he now?
802, I'm not hit. Not hit.
802, you're not hit. Where is the suspect now in relation to you?
802, he's by the driver's door against this traffic. Can you get me the brake, please? Traffic is kind of heavy. Keep your hands where I can see him. Do not reach for that gun.
Traffic is heavy. Requesting brake. Requesting brake.
Ready, 6-4, copy, I'll bring that brake to the floor now. You do advise that the suspect is injured.
6-2, copy, bringing that brake from Flores now. 3602, is the suspect hit?
Suspect is hit.
3602, suspect is hit. Is he still moving?
802, affirm. Stop moving!
3602, suspect is hit. Still moving.
Ready, 36-4, copy, fire.
Do not reach for it!
36-802, is there anyone else in the vehicle?
802, I cannot tell. It's blacked out windows. Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Do not do it! Ah! Ah!
Copy.
802, I'm hit. 802, I'm hitting the leg. 802, I'm hitting the leg. He's taking off with the patrol vehicle. Ah!
802.
Oh. I'll take it again.
Let's get him. Let's drag him. Let's go.
Oh.
Hold on.
A10, send in fire.
Go.
Fire's coming.
Okay, that's good. Everybody good?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Check equipment. Let's get a better search on me. Weapon safe, boys. Yeah.
You have any weapons on you? Where's your weapon at?
Hey, where's your gloves at?
Did we go?
Hey, anybody got gloves?
I can get some.
No.
I got gloves in my car.
Is that the ammunition in there going off?
Weapons safe, everybody?
Yep.
We're good. We're good.
I got my shotgun. Is this yours?
Did we go? Good on ours?
I'm gonna throw my card.
I tried to get out just a couple times. Then said me.
214, go ahead.
So I had my stuff down. I was talking to an elderly lady who was talking to myself. Did he shoot someone? I don't
Yeah,
know.
he
I
did.
saw
The
him doing
CHP officer
medical.
was down.
I saw him do medical on the side of the road.
I saw the CHP officers down, as far as I know.
Yeah, someone was down.
I saw
there doing
blood. There was
medical.
like blood right here.
All right.
More gloves, anybody?
I gave him any you guys have?
No. This probably won't work, won't it?
No.
I have multi-tool in my car. No. I have a multi-tool in my car and gloves.
Stand up! All right, drag him over there. What is your name?
Don't start doing that.
What is it? What is your name? Huh? Yeah, let's keep moving him.
Okay.
My concern is this.
Anybody got any wire cutters? You just got a hole in the fucking thing. We
got
still
wire
have a victim
cutters?
in here? Chase, is there a victim in
Sarge.
this truck?
Sarge, here, take that. I'm gonna help him.
Yeah.
Hey, you quit moving. Let's get some wire cutters. Cut this shit.
Hey, I'm gonna open up. Who are you? Who are you? Hey, who was that? Chase?
Yeah, that's Chase.
Cover.
I got wire cutters in the back of my car.
Joseph Pate.
Yeah.
Hey, how's your boy? How's your boy? He shot you?
We didn't check him. He wasn't our guy.
He was up there treating him when I went by.
Where'd he get hit?
It looks like the leg, maybe.
Maybe.
I was there for
cut that
a
strand,
fraction of a
watch out.
second.
I don't know. I just saw blood on his stomach. I
He
didn't.
was smacked back again. There's a lot of tension.
These are too small. I'm gonna have to just fucking suffer.
Hey, I got wipes. Anybody got blood on them?
Take it some of those gloves.
Let me get this over there.
Yeah. Yeah, just slooping in here. Bend it. if You can.
Hey.
Snag some of those gloves. We snag some of those gloves.
You're gonna stand up. You're gonna walk up towards the road.
You all right?
Keep them coming for now. Code 2, unknown about that second part. Fire's on scene for the suspect.
Yeah.
Here, I'll take those IDs back.
We'll just get one of their bags or shoes.
Medical's right here.
Yep.
Hey, you want to just leave them until we get their name up? Do that, guys. Let's just leave them. Anybody need gloves? Good.
We're good. We have no suspect weapon at this point.
No,
No,
it might be in the car.
They threw it, like while driving. They think so. Yeah, that's what I heard over across. Okay. Is air en route? They can start
I don't know.
scouring the outside of the freeway.
I have no idea.
You air, I think. Tehama County.
Get on the radio.
Don't start spitting.
Joseph Pate. You know where you are right now, Joseph? Where are we? Red Bluff, what year is that? Does anybody have the rest of your class? Hey, Danette? Might have to go back there and make some kind of traffic break or something just to make sure there's no more accidents, please.
Additionally, for progress of education, this stop.
I just gave a CHP.